So, look what's new. So, my old crappy Black & Decker drill finally died. The battery was completely toast, basically. So, I decided to get a new drill because it was more cheaper to buy a replacement battery. Sorry, it was more expensive to buy a replacement battery than it was to get this entire kit, basically. So this is the Ryobi 18 volt 1 plus HP compact brushless half-inch drill driver kit. Wow, that is a mouthful. So this one includes the brushless version of the drill with two 1.5 amp hour lithium batteries and a charger and a tool bag. We're gonna see how well this performs. This will probably be a multi-part video due to the simple nature of me not being able to use this well until I charge up batteries. Okay, so the boxes are glued really tight. So this one was definitely not ever opened before. Let me just get a knife for this. I didn't find a knife. I got some scissors to kind of pry it open. Yeah, that works. Yeah, knife would have been a better choice, but wow. Okay, they use maybe a bit too much glue. Use a little less glue, Ryobi. Okay. This is a chance to win 10K registered today. Okay, I will register this actually. Okay, nice. I'll do that later. So inside is this thing, which appears to be a charger. Okay, I'll kind of carefully move everything out. I don't want to damage it. Oh, that was loud. So included is this tool bag. This one is pretty normal. It's not particularly high quality. Just pretty normal extra freebie you get. Included is this charger, and the first battery is already plugged in. I'm just gonna undo that. These are a lot nicer chargers than what I had with the Black & Decker one. At least these ones feel a lot better. Okay. So this is the charger. This one has input 120 volts, 60 hertz at 60 watts. Okay, so that won't take too much power. Output is 18 volts. So this, okay, so there's screw holes so you can mount this to a wall. I won't be doing that. It does not say how much the output is. This charger just seems to be the generic one they give. This kit was originally around 188 Canadian dollars at full price. However, Home Depot had the sale, which was only for the price of around, I think it was $118. So this kit was actually cheaper than the same kit with the version of the non-brushless, the normal one. So of course I had to choose this one. What else is inside is, of course, the drill driver itself and the battery. Okay, and this one has the same tag I'm gonna remove. Okay. These are 1.5 amp hour batteries. Okay, this one, and the good thing about Ryobi batteries is they have a built-in power gauge. Yeah, they're both at one slot. I will charge this while I continue this review. I'll just charge one at a time because I don't have the other charger. Okay, now let's continue. I will try my best to see if I can get it to run on the battery without charging it. So you can open up the battery, at least in theory. They are held in with torque screws. I probably wouldn't recommend opening it up because it's dangerous. Warning, risk of fire and burns, not exposed to water, rain, liquids, open, crush, heat above 50 Celsius, incinerate torch terminals, etc. So it says only use charger. Yeah, so this one basically says to only, to not open it. I don't plan to do that either way. So there's a bunch of manuals in here. There's the operator's manual. There's the, oh, this is an advertisement thing. That's cool. It shows me basically everything they sell in the 18-volt system. That's nice. I'll have to check that out on my own time. Wow, it's like an entire catalog. That's really tempting, honestly. They have a manual in French. Operator's manual for the battery. This one's supplement. And this one is, okay, just a bunch of extra stuff. Oh, yes, the drill itself. I forgot about that. Let's plug in the battery. So this one is a 1/2-inch model, so it can accept drill bits and trinkets up to 1/2 inch, of course. It is a keyless chuck. It feels really nice. Just like my old one, it has the trigger reversal, forward and lock right here conveniently located. So I think that has good kick to it. Oh, that actually generates thrust. Like this thing like actually moves. Look, I'm just holding it quite loosely. Like the drill itself has so much power right now that's actually pushing it. That's good. Anyways, yeah, so you can, yeah, open it up all the way like that. You'll see, it includes the work light too, which is, I guess, good. The clutch, it is a 24 position clutch. There is up to the first, all the way around to the 22 position. 23 for the clutch, and then just the drill setting there. So, yeah. Yep, so this one has the speed 1, which is the faster one, and also speed 2, which is even slower. Okay, hold up. Oh, let me try. Hello. So I don't know about the speed settings, but yeah, so these ones are really powerful. This one's brushless, and you can actually feel the wind coming off. I will figure out the speed setting, how that works, but okay. I think speed 1. Okay, so it seems like speed 2 is faster. Yeah, speed 2 is faster, speed 1 is slower, I think. I don't know, but there's a difference. Anyways, the grip is really nice. It feels sturdy. This one feels notably heavier than the last one, I think. But that's probably because it's much better. And it's not really bullcrap. Okay, so that concludes today's review. See you in the next one.